Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a great show for today, guys. We got a very important show for today, guys. We're going to be talking about these markets just to see where we're at. Are we going to be making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out. Stick around. Guys, we're going to give it a few more minutes just to see who gets your big shout out for everybody here with me today. Whoever's earlier here with me today, you guys are freaking awesome. Bruda Crypto, big shout out to you, Bruda Crypto, over on the Twitch. How you doing, Bruda Crypto? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, man. Hey, buddy, you have a high, you have a low. Let's go. Fuck yeah, let's figure out those highs and those lows today, my man. We're gonna be talking about that today. Let's go into it as soon as possible. We're gonna give it a few more minutes here just to see who gets here. Big shout out to everybody over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome, like always. Guys, make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm streaming on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No excuses not to get the news, not to get my price action, not to get my entry prices on everything over here. So, guys, how y'all doing? What's up with you? Guys, if you have any technical analysis that you want me to do on any coins whatsoever or any questions whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do my best to read it out loud and do the TA on whatever coins you want to look at. But for now, we're going to chill for a little bit of hour of power over here. We're just going to take it easy, take it slow. We're going to look at what the heck is the cryptocurrency market doing right now. We're going to look at my trades. We're going to look at everything, guys. So make sure you set up your charts like we always do. Because we're going to go in it, guys. Let's give it a few more minutes to see. We'll give you 5 more minutes. We'll get 5 more minutes and we'll see who. And we'll start the call last. So big shout out for everybody here. Thank you for tuning in and giving me your time. Let's see if I don't take advantage of it. Guys, XLM doing an absolute wreckage to the upside, guys. XLM, I told you guys yesterday. XLM, anything below 10 cents on XLM, get it on XLM. Why? Because we had that double bottom. I told you guys we had that double bottom, and look at this. To the moon on XLM, guys. I love it. You got to love it, guys. You have to love it. It's right there in the charts, guys. You just got to learn how to read them. Let me set things up over here. Boom, boom. Let's put this over there, and we are ready to go. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. You guys are awesome. How the heck do I... Give me a second here, guys. Boom, boom, boom. I put this over here. Is the music too loud, guys? I don't think the music is too loud, right? Chilling. Guys, make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at, whether it's YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, Kick, anything else. Go ahead and smash that like and follow button, guys. Trying to grow this channel as much as we can on every single platform out there. We're trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark on all the platforms across the board. No excuse, guys. I'm here every day, 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you hit that notification bell if you haven't already on the YouTube channel so you get notified every time I stream. But I'm here every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So whatever questions you guys have, I'm here for you. You got me for an hour of power, so let's go. Also, guys, remember, if I do not answer any of your comments over on wherever it is that you're writing from, because I just didn't catch it or whatnot, I do have a Discord group, guys. Link on the description of this video or in my bio. Go ahead and join my free Discord group, you guys. I'm there every single day, 24 hours a day. Any questions that you guys have, you can write it on the chat box over there, and I will do my best to answer any questions that you guys have. So if I can't answer it here because I missed it, then you can move over to my Discord group, and I'm always there, guys. Music today brought to you by Cuba. Cuba, The Road to Find Out. That's the music that's playing in the background right now. It's a kick-ass song. It's one of my favorite songs out there. We're going to see what's going on with crypto today, guys. We're going to be looking at the news. We're going to be looking at the markets to see what's going on. Move it a little bit upbeat right now. Let me move it up a little bit. There you go. That's a little better. Got to pump it up, guys. XLM is pumping. We got to pump with it. Let's go, guys. XLM to the moon. Let's get it. Make it happen, guys. XLM pumps. XRP's right around the corner. That's for sure. Let's see what XLM is going to do. Guys, let's look at the news. What's going on with Bitcoin right now? Look at this, guys. This caught my attention right here. Bitcoin bulls grilled 31K as Fidelity ETF moves fuel BTC price to the strength to the upside. A lot of people have been asking me about this, actually, by the way. A lot of people are asking me if the whole ETF fiasco is going to be good for crypto. Here, my thoughts on this are very clear. ETFs is not good for crypto or any other market in the long term. Let me explain. ETFs do not buy the Bitcoin, the crypto, the asset, the whatever. Is not actual physical or tangent or digital ownership of cryptocurrency or any other asset out there. An ETF is a contract. It's a piece of paper, okay? It's an IOU, basically. We're paying with an IOU. They don't have to go out and buy Bitcoin or back the ETF with Bitcoin purchases. So it really doesn't affect the price of Bitcoin or any other asset out there in any way, shape, or form other than driving demand to the asset, okay? People are now seeing all across the news that, hey, if BlackRock is willing to invest trillions of dollars into cryptocurrency or whatever the amount they want to do, I don't know exactly how much they're gonna be able to invest in it, but whatever they choose to do, however much if they're willing to do it, then shit, I should do it. Why don't I have a piece of Bitcoin in my portfolio? So basically, this whole ETF fiasco is going to be great for BlackRock, and they're going to be controlling the supply sooner or later. But that's in the long term. In the short term, prices to the upside. Of course, that's pretty much the rallying that we're seeing right now all across the board. If you go to Bitcoin, look at this right here. This was BlackRock ETF. It drove it to the upside. It's going to keep driving it to the upside in the short term. But in the long term, people are going to figure out that it was all a big nothing burger. That I don't think that this is actually going to keep pumping to the upside just because BlackRock is going to do an ETF. Now, if BlackRock is going to do an ETF, guess what? Everybody's going to do an ETF. There's going to be ETFs all across the board from every single platform, every investment mutual fund ever. It's just a whole bunch of people are going to be pouring in to these ETFs. Okay, a shit ton of money is going to be made out of the ETFs. But are me and you are going to see that money? No, because they are not going to be buying the actual asset to make the ETF. So it doesn't really matter for you and me who are interested in buying and keeping the crypto. Okay, but one thing I do have to tell you is that no matter what happens, keep your crypto to yourselves. Do not leave any cryptocurrency in any platform whatsoever. Buy your Bitcoin, buy your XRP, buy your Ethereum, buy your XLM, whatever it is that you have to, whatever it is that you're holding, putting it on your ledger or your LEPAL device, and do not let any one of these institutions take your cryptocurrency from you, no matter what they say. They're probably going to come out with news that they're going to have self-custody, that they can hold on to your crypto so that you don't lose it. Fuck that. Do not give anybody your cryptocurrency whatsoever. Hold on to it, because let me tell you right now, guys, price action to the upside. It is going to drive price action to the upside. It is what it is. Pay attention, guys. This game comes with clues. It comes with an instruction manual. All you got to do is learn how to read it. That's why you're here, guys. You're going to learn how to trade. You're going to learn how to make money, a shit ton of money on cryptocurrency. And we're not going to let anybody take our cryptocurrencies from our hands whatsoever. No, let anybody custody your... Nah, fuck that. Keep your own self-custody, your own private device that you control your crypto. Nobody has access to it, guys. Those are my thoughts on the whole ETF fiasco when it comes to the whole... Fidelity, BlackRock. Man, there's going to be so much money being driven into cryptocurrency through the ETFs. But just remember, guys, like I said in the beginning, that is not going to affect the price directly because they're not actually buying the cryptocurrency. An ETF is a contract. It's a piece of paper. It's an IOU. So keep that in the back of your minds, guys. Yes, it's going to drive demand to the upside. Yes, it's going to push the price to the upside. but it's not because they are directly buying the cryptocurrency. Okay? It's because me and you, the retail buyers, are buying the cryptocurrency because we are excited that they're going to be offering ETFs. Okay? But as soon as we figure out that they have nothing to do with the price, this sucker is going to probably dump to the downside. Okay? Keep that in the back of your mind when you guys are going to be doing your trades on cryptocurrencies. Okay, guys? That is my chant over on what the ETFs are going to be doing. All right, guys, let's start the class. Sorry. All right, guys, I exercise the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Let's see what we can do over here to see if we can make some money out of these trades right here. Guys, I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first. It'll repeat on every other coin out there. Okay. So let's start out with Bitcoin. I like to look at Bitcoin first, and I started with the daily chart. This is what you're looking over here on the screen right now. This is the daily chart of Bitcoin. And these are the candles. I'm going to zoom in to see what the hell the candles are doing right now. What I do every single day, I go ahead and I zoom in to the last two candles. Oh shit, somebody's at the door. I look at the last two candles that are trading right now, and it's these two candles right over here. What are those two candles doing? Those are two T candles, right? They look like T candles, which means that it looks like a cross, right? Those candles are undecision candles. The market doesn't know what it wants to do, whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to go down. It doesn't know. So if the market doesn't know, shit, I know less. So I'm not going to pay attention to these candles right over here. I'm going to let the market do its thing, whatever it is that it wants to do, whether to go to the upside or the downside, I don't know. Okay? So I'm going to let the market do its thing. I'm going to step back. I'm going to let Bitcoin do its thing. I'm going to come back tomorrow and let's see what the next candle is going to be. If it looks like these, then yes, power to the upside. We're going to trade to the upside. We're going to long Bitcoin. But if it looks like these, red to the downside, then we're going to short Bitcoin. Or we're going to try to find a shorting opportunity on Bitcoin. Okay? So for Bitcoin as of today and right now, it's a no-go for me. So let's zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom out and let's see if we can draw out our Fibonacci. Of course we cannot draw out our Fibonacci. Do we have a low? Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci. We're going to draw out our Fibonacci levels right over here. And guess what's happened over here, guys? Right here, right there. It found support within the 618. We always try to go in on every asset whenever it's within the 618 parameters. And it's right there. That was your signal to get in on some Bitcoin action. I hope you took advantage because after it closes above the 382, that is telling me that in the near future, we're going to get a 35K Bitcoin coming right around the corner, guys. 35K. So if you're in the ropes right now, it's 31K. It's too high. I don't know what to do. Should I get in? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Get in on some Bitcoin action. Do not miss a trade. Even if it goes lower, doesn't matter. Get your ass into Bitcoin. Okay? 35K Bitcoin coming right around the corner. The Fibonacci is telling me all I need is confirmation. That's all we're waiting for right now, guys. Confirmation on that 35K Bitcoin. Let's make it happen, Captain. So as of right now, 35K is my target price to take some action on some profits on this trade on Bitcoin that we caught down here. 35K. Now, if you missed the boat, you're not in a trade on Bitcoin right now, there's still hope for you, my man. Don't even worry about it. Why? Because we can sort of pretend or deduce another shark fin formation. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high, and all we're waiting for is that pullback on the high. We do not have that pullback on the high just yet. So we don't have a shark fin formation just yet, but we can pretend like it is. Let's pretend that there's going to be a pullback on Bitcoin right now back to the 20s. If that is true, go ahead and draw out your Fibonacci levels, and it's going to give you the new Fibonacci levels right over here. So if you're going to go in on Bitcoin, wait for the pullback to happen, and you're going to get in on 28,144. Let me write it down right here, guys, so you can take a screenshot of that. 28,144.5 is your first limit buy order for Bitcoin. 28,144. And your second limit buy order is 27,336. So set 50% of your portfolio into 28,144 and 50% of your other portfolio, of your remaining portfolio, 27,336. That's the golden zone. That's the golden ratio. We're going to try to stack up on as much Bitcoin as we can on the highest demand zone, which is the 618 on the Fibonacci. So if it wicks to the Fibonacci at 27K, get in on some Bitcoin action. No hesitation whatsoever, okay? No mercy. Get in at 28K or 27K. If it goes lower, then hey, fuck it. Keep holding on to your Bitcoin until it bounces to the upside, okay? But my entry price is always going to be the highest demand zone on the 618. So 27,336. Take a screenshot of that, guys. Let's see if it actually makes it happen. You're going to regret it if it actually does happen and you didn't get in. That's all I got to say. I haven't been wrong before. I've been pretty consistent on these price actions right over here. I told you guys to get in here. I told you guys to get in here. I told you guys to get in here. I told you guys now to get in here. And now I'm telling you guys to get in here. All of those trades would have been profitable, guys. All of those trades would have been profitable. Okay, guys, moving on to a little bit of Ethereum action. So what is Ethereum doing right now? Let me get rid of this. So Ethereum doing the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is king. If Bitcoin does one thing, Ethereum is going to follow right there with it. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, make sure that you set it up on Bitcoin first, because it's going to pretty much repeat on everywhere else, okay? The chart on Ethereum looks pretty much the same as Bitcoin. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a starting point to a pullback on the high. So we almost have a shark fin formation on Ethereum. So we're going to pretend that we're actually having a pullback on Ethereum. Okay. Smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already on that, whatever platform you're looking on at. The more you smash the button on the like button, the higher Ethereum goes. Let's go. So we're going to do our Fibonacci retracement tool, pretending that we do have a pullback on Ethereum. And let's see what the levels are right here. There you go. Right now, I'm going to write it down right here. Your entry prices to get in on some Ethereum action. If you haven't already, if you're not on the Ethereum trade just yet, I got your back. Here's the entry prices right over here, 1,783 and 1,746. Anything between those two zones, that's your entry price to get in on some Ethereum action right there, guys. Okay? Like I always say, this game comes with instructions. It comes with rules. You just got to learn how to read the charts. And that's exactly what we're doing here right now. We're learning how to read the charts, guys. Guys, if you have any questions, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'm here for you guys. You got me for an hour of power. Big shout out to everybody over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing like always. Thank you for all the likes and all the follows. I'm growing like crazy on TikTok, guys. TikTok is pretty freaking awesome. I'm bigger on TikTok than I've ever been on any other platform since I've been doing this for what, for 2 or 3 years now? I grow faster on TikTok than everywhere else. So I'm definitely sticking around for the TikTok, guys. Big shout out for everybody over on the TikTok. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok. What's up, my man? It's all good to you. Big shout out to you, man. It's all good. You know, I'm just chilling, making these gains, taking it little by little. Guys, where are you watching me from, guys? Where am I being played right now? All over the world. I didn't bring my water. Damn it. Okay. So moving on, guys. Oh, so this is my Ethereum entry prices. Take a screenshot of this because this is how I'm going to be playing out this Ethereum action right here on this cryptocurrency, okay? Moving on to some my beautiful baby girl, XRP. Guys, my coin of choice, my beautiful baby girl, XRP. As you all know, I'm super skewed towards XRP, so I'm definitely going to be talking about this today. What is XRP doing right now? So XRP having a little bit of a pullback action. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high, don't we? So that translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Let's draw these out right now. And guess what happened right here, guys? You see this beautiful candle right there? It wicked exactly on the 618. So we're playing out the first rule of the Fibonacci. Did it find support within the 618? The answer is yes. It found support within the 618. It's bouncing from there. Rule number 2, did we close above the 382? Big shout out to AWOL. Thank you for the like over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, aka the Wizard, over on the Twitch. Thank you for that subscribe. So guys, the 382, did we close above the 382 on the Fibonacci levels? The answer is no. We have not closed above the 382 just yet. So we might start testing back down to the 618. Make sure that you set a limit buy order at 46 cents. Let me write it down right here, guys, so you can see it. Entry prices to go in on some XRP action is 0.46930. That is your 618 entry price until I'm going in on some XRP action, guys. Can we get it back down to 46 cents? Of course, it's completely possible to go back down to 46 cents. Make sure that you stack up with some action on 46 cents. That's all you got to do, guys. Big shout out to Agua. What's up with you, man? It's all good, hella bullish. Hell yeah, bro, we all are hella bullish on XRP. I don't even have to be bullish. I just know the facts. I don't have to feel anything. I know that this sucker's going to go to the moon sooner or later. And I'm strapped in. Are you strapped in, my man? Do you have your bags packed on XRP? I don't know how else to tell you guys. Stack up on some XRP action. But I don't know. Man. I can say it in Spanish if you want me to say it in Spanish. But goddamn, get some more XRP. That's all you got to do. Forget about the rest. And while saying over on the TikTok, yes, sir, still packing. Fuck yeah. Dude, every single time it dumps, I pack on some more XRP. That's why I'm telling you guys right now, this dumpy dump was at 46 cents stacked up on that trade. Right now, that 46 cent trade right here. Let me see if I have it over here. Let me show you guys. On that 46, look, this one right here. That 46,139 that I caught on the last bounce, that trade is doing 23%. 23%, my man, on a single trade. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok asking, what's your nationality? I'm Latino, also from Chile. Oh, big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on Chile. I am Puerto Rican, my man. I live in Puerto Rico. So big shout out to all my brothers and sisters over on Chile. You guys are awesome. I know that Chile is beautiful. Beautiful. If I ever have the chance, I really want to go to Chile. I'll stay in your house, Ernesto. You got me. I know you. I know you do. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, that 46 cent XRP action that was happening right there, that is this trade right over here. 46,139. I'm trying to catch it once again. I'm trying to get in on more 46 cent action on XRP. I'm ready, locked and loaded. I'm super ready for it to go back down to 46 cents. But that trade is making me 23%. A single trade, 23%, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. Look at all my trades. All my trades are positive right now. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not making it up, guys. I'm showing you the proof. I'm showing you my trades. I'm showing you when I get in, when I get out. No excuse. I'm not making shit up. The game is rigged, and you just got to learn how to play it. Hey, wow, saying over on the TikTok, me too. You mean you're Puerto Rican too, or from Chile? All right, guys, that is my entry price to go in on some XRP action. Give me a second, guys. I got technical issues over here. A lot of people are writing me. It's like, I got so many screens. I got so many chats. I'm like, oh, I got to go here, go over there. I'm like, I'm going to lose my shit. Guys, moving on to some oh, wait, give me a second. Let's go back to XRP 1 second, guys. This is my first entry price at 46,930, okay? 46,930 is my entry price to get in on some XRP action. But let's zoom out. Let's zoom out and let's see if there's actually other entry prices that we can go in. Of course there is. Why? Because we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high right over here. So that is a shark fin formation. That's another Fibonacci level right over there. It found the support within the 618. It broke the 382. So if that is true, then we should be seeing a beautiful 67-cent XRP coming real soon. We just got to wait for it to play out. But if it breaks that 46-cent mark down here on that Fibonacci, we have another one. We have a backup. We have this one at 44 cents. So in this scenario, this is how I would play it. I would take 50% of my portfolio and I would buy it at 46 cents. Then the next 50% portfolio, I would buy it at 44. And I would hold on to that sucker all the way up to 67 cents. Okay. Oh, wait, I don't want to play that song. Let me change the music over here, guys. Give me a second. Don't you just hate Google ads, the YouTube ads? God damn it. I'm not getting the premium service, my man. I'm not going to do it. So yeah, guys, 50% of my portfolio at 46 cents, 54% of my portfolio, 44 cents. AWOL saying over on the TikTok, once it breaks 56 cents, it's settled lawsuit. Bro, the morning that I wake up and my phone is itching with the settlement of the lawsuit will probably be the last day I ever do a stream, because this sucker is going to blow our minds. I know for a fact that fucker is going to break all the way to $5. It's going to happen. I can feel it in here. 10x, guys, 10x right now. If you buy it right now at 48 cents, I know this sucker is going to $5. $5 is my target price. I know there's a lot higher target prices like $40, $200, $1,000, even the crazy ones at $10,000. I'm taking some of my profits at $5. If it keeps going higher, then guess what? I got more XRP stacked up somewhere else. I'm not going to sell all my portfolio at $5. I'm just going to take a little bit, so I can buy an island, a private island that nobody can find me at. But I have some more XRP, stacked up just in case. I'm not gonna sell my entire. I really don't care about cash that much. If anything, I'm gonna stay in cryptocurrency for the rest of my life. I don't want cash. Fuck cash. So I'm not gonna sell all of my portfolio at $5. But my target price is $5 for XRP. And I know that once we get that settlement done, whether it's today, tomorrow, next week, next month, I don't care. Once we get that settlement done and we get relisted, we get the volume, we get the money flow, we get the demand, we get the clarity. Boom. Strap in. Get your bags ready. Do what you got to do, because that fucker's going to break all. It's just going to go crazy, guys. And it's pretty much what's going to drive the next bull cycle. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be XRP. Okay? It's going to be XRP. After the halving in April next year, Bitcoin dumps, then it pumps to the what? All-time highs. And that's going to be driven by the winnings of XRP. You'll see. I'm telling you right now, stack up on some XRP, guys. Don't sleep on this giant. This one is just waiting to wake up, and it's right there in front of us, guys. This is a bullish pattern. This is all telling me that this fucker is going to go to the moon. This reverse head and shoulder right over here Look at this. That's a reverse head and shoulder. I screwed up on the drawing, but that's a reverse head and shoulder. That's hella bullish. That's hella bullish, guys, on XRP. I don't know how else to tell you guys. I don't know. I really don't know. AWOL saying over on the TikTok, can't stop it. That's right. It will dominate Bitcoin. Bro, I don't know if it'll actually go higher than Bitcoin because everything is tied to Bitcoin. People tend to buy Bitcoin first before they buy anything else. And we trade in pairs of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is pretty much going to always have a lot more volume than any other coin out there. But it'll provide competition. That's for sure. It's going to be the top three. Period. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. That's it. Nothing else matters in this world. So moving on to a little bit of Litecoin action. What is Litecoin doing right here? So Litecoin on the charts. Some powerful sideways action over here. Look at all this sideways action. What the hell is Litecoin doing? Come on, Litecoin, do your thing. We have a low, we have a high. Do we have a pullback on the high? Not yet, but it is starting. So with that said, we're going to pretend that we have a shark fin formation and we're going to go in on what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And here are your entry prices to getting in on some Litecoin action. 79.8. Wait, no. Sorry. 82.51 and 79.80. Those are your two entry prices on some Litecoin action. Take a screenshot of that. Do whatever it is you got to do. But stack up on some Litecoin too, because this sucker is also looking like it's preparing for one hell of a run to the upside. Well, this is sort of bearish. This is a bearish flag. I don't know. Let's see what it wants to do, but stack up with some Litecoin. That's all I got to do. That's all I'm telling you to do. You do whatever you do. You do boo boo boo. You do you boo boo. Big shout out to Red over on the TikTok asking, will you look at FLR? Oh, hell yeah. We'll look at FLR. Oops. I wrote it wrong. FLR, USDT, Flare Network. Let's go. Damn. Okay, so Flare is trading below a cent. I know that they are releasing every month. I think it is, right? Every month they're releasing a whole new supply into the market every single month. The rewards for staking FLR. It's trading at 1 cent. That's a nasty number to be at. This is a nasty chart, by the way. But if you guys are on the ropes and waiting for a signal from the gods to get in on some FLR action, the answer is now. Do we have a low? Yes, we do. Do we have a high? Yes, we do. Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. So that translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Let's figure out some Fibonacci action to see if we're going to get into some FLR action. So as of right now, today, this moment right here, a cent for FLR, 1 cent FLR. That is exactly where you're going to want to start stacking up on some FLR action, guys. So it's saucy to the upside. It's finding support within the 618. Hopefully we close above the 382 at 0.017. But it is a nasty chart, let me tell you right now. I believe in XRP and everything that XRP stands for, and FLR is building on top of the XRP ledger, but god damn, people don't give a fuck about FLR. That's pretty much what I'm seeing on the charts right now. So this is a high risk, high reward type of trade. So if you want to start stacking up on some FLR, a cent FLR, Fred, come on. You don't have to be a genius to know that, yeah, a cent FLR, that's exactly a really nice demand zone to getting in on some FLR action. Okay. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok asking, do you mine crypto? I do not mine. I used to a long time ago. I had a server case with 11. It had 7 stacks of 11 floors of GPU miners. And I was making about a Bitcoin a day. A long time ago when mining was actually profitable. This is not a mining channel. This is a trading channel. Mining is not as profitable as it used to be. It used to be ridiculously profitable. Now it's not so much. We can't mine in an Ethereum network anymore. All those miners were I just sold everything. But that was a long time ago. That was before the crash of mining. I knew that sucker had a time limit. Anybody who was mining crypto should have known that it wasn't going to be forever. The price is going to dictate demand, and the more demand, the more people were mining, and the less rewards you would get. It was just a whole other science. It was a whole other thing. I prefer to trade cryptocurrency. I'm a lot more profitable trading cryptocurrencies. And if you're looking for some passive income, do a trading bot. If you want to do a trading bot, the one that I use specifically, it's called BitsGap. Okay. This trading bot right over here, not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form just yet. But this platform right over here banks hard on cryptocurrency, okay? Learning to trade with cryptocurrencies within this platform. It's an automatic set it and forget it type of trade. It's automatic. You literally press a button and it'll start printing money for you, okay? It does have a little bit of a mini learning curve that I can teach you guys in the near future. But if you want passive income, forget about mining, do trading bots. Okay? But we'll talk about this on a whole other class because this has a little bit of a learning curve, okay? But go ahead, go to YouTube and type BitsGap. Okay? BitsGap. Deadpool Sosa over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. So how do you upload crypto into the ledger? Well, first things first, I would advise that you get out of Ledger, burn your Ledger device, and get an LEPAL device instead. But if you like Ledger, I still have mine over here. The Ledger device has a Bluetooth connectivity to it. Okay, it's come with Bluetooth connectivity. Does it have battery? Yeah, mine has battery. You connect it to your phone or your computer through the cable, but it has Bluetooth, so you can directly connect it to your phone. Download the Ledger app on your phone. Once you have downloaded the app on your phone and you set it up you've connected it to your Ledger device, you can add accounts to your Ledger app within your phone. Once you add an account or a coin within the phone app, you're gonna get the app. You're gonna get the deposit address. Once you get that deposit address, then you can send funds to that deposit address within the app inside the Ledger app in your iPhone or whatever device you're looking on at. If you're using the computer, even easier. It's the same process. You connect it to your computer, download the Ledger wallet app onto your computer, and follow the instructions. It's very straightforward. It's not really complicated at all. It could just be a little bit scary, you know, especially if it's your first time. But in my case, I would actually advise you to get an LEPAL and forget about Ledger. Ledger is no safe no more. Big shout out to I'm a Baller over on the TikTok. What is it? What? Oh, the trading bot that I use is called BitsGap. BitsGap. Okay? BitsGap. There was a time back on the last bull cycle back in 2021 that this sucker was making me 1% a day. 1% a day on autopilot. Not saying that it will now, but we are kind of starting another bull cycle right around the corner. So you might want to get in before we start the bull cycle. Now is a great time to start stacking up on some bot action. 1% a day is not that bad, bro. When it compounds, 1% a day can grow humongously. And in the last bull cycle, I was streaming and you guys, some of you guys saw it. We turned $1,000 into $400,000 live on the stream. That was ridiculous. All from Bitscap. It was an entirely different animal back then. I'm trying to see if I can do it again once more. But we'll talk about that later. I'm not going to get in on Bitscap right now. It has a pretty major learning curve. We'll do a stream tomorrow. So stop by tomorrow if you guys want to talk about Bitscap. Okay. Danger Dane over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. I'm down for a class. Okay. Strap in. Make sure you log in. Oh, and also, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, remember I have a Discord. So if I'm not here on the TikTok or on the platforms, I'm in the Discord. I'm there 24 hours a day. Link in my bio, link in the description of this video. Okay. You can ask any questions that you guys have, Bitscap, trading, whatever. I'm there 24 hours a day. It's completely free. Okay. So head over to my Discord if you guys have any questions when it comes to Bitsgap. Okay. Bitsgap. 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 Danger Dane over on the TikTok asking, Ellie Pal, is the cold wallet? Yes. This is my cold wallet of choice. 100% air gap. It doesn't have Bluetooth, doesn't have NFC, doesn't have Wi-Fi. You can't connect it to the computer. Unhackable in every way, shape, and form. Okay. Pretty much bulletproof. Not saying that I took a shot at it, but I did drive over it with my car and not a scratch on it. Okay. So yeah, Ellie Pal all the way. The Titan Ellie Pal. That's the one that I choose. Affiliate link in my bio. Moving on to some Cardano action. What is Cardano doing right here? Oh man, Cardano's still looking nasty. Ugh. Cardano is just screwing with us, isn't she? It is what it is, guys. Gotta take advantage of this. So do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. So we have a shark fin formation. That translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Those are your entry prices to get in on some Cardano action. Big shout out to Crypto Mike over on the TikTok. What is looking bullish? XLM. Bro, XLM is doing whatever the fuck it wants to do. XLM is just doesn't care. Look at this. Look at that. XLM, guys. Told you guys, getting on XLM, it was a double bottom. It was a double bottom. I told you guys yesterday. I've been telling you this for weeks. Getting in on some XLM and anything below 10 cents is a major steal on XLM. Everything is in the charts, guys. Everything. You got to follow the rules, follow the game. But yeah, XLM is the one that's pretty much crapping on everybody today. Big shout out to Judy. How you doing, Judy? It's all good, my man. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain. I'm a baller. I'm a ball player over on TikTok. I was saying XLM Trust ran up today. Yes. And it's baked into the charts. Doesn't really matter the news, guys. We had a double bottom. Okay. The double bottom is right here. The news comes after the fact. Every damn time. You just got to learn to read the charts. This pyramid formation right over here, double bottom. That's a bullish formation to the upside. We knew that this sucker was going to go up. And then after the fact comes the news. Everything is baked into the charts, guys. You just got to learn how to read them. Those who say that TA doesn't work, they don't know how to read the charts. Although in the long term, TA doesn't really work anyway. Big shout out to XRP, my man. How you doing, XRP? Go over XRP. I gave you guys. It's right here. I told you guys. You can rewatch the stream if you guys want to talk about XRP. But XRP to the moon, my man. There's nothing else I can tell you about XRP. Let's strap in and get some bags. What else do you need to know about XRP? Just get some in it. XLM pumping to the upside. Guess where those earnings are going to go? To XRP and Bitcoin. So do whatever you want to do. But I believe the entry price for, it was 46 cents. So get in on some XRP action at 46 cents. That's your Fibonacci levels right there, guys. Okay. That's your entry price. You get in on some XRP action. 46 cents. If it actually goes to 46 cents, because I don't see. Imagine we get a settlement tomorrow. Fuck 46 cents. We'll never seeing 50-cent XRP ever again. XRP saying over on the TikTok, give us some hope. I don't need hope. Screw hope. I have facts. I have math. I have a chart that's telling me, screaming at me, bro, stack up on some XRP. It's right there. It's right in front of me. Right here. Shake it. Shake it. You see like that? If you shake it hard enough, it'll go up. So I don't have hope. I have math. I have an algorithm. Nothing more than just baked into the charts. This is a mega bullish scenario playing out right now. Okay. Price action to the upside on XRP, guys. Just like XLM. Look at XLM. Bullish. Major bullish right here. Double bottom. This was it right here. The news always comes after the fact, guys. Red over on the TikTok saying, you said news always comes after. Double bottom and news is supposed to come anytime they say. What? I'm sorry, Red. I don't think I read that right. You said news always comes after. Double bottom and news is supposed to come in anytime they say. Bro, that's hard to read right there. I'm thinking that you're saying that news comes after the fact. Yes, technically, most of the time, everything is baked into the charts, okay? You just got to learn how to read the charts. When you master reading the charts, you're going to realize that news come right after you see it in the charts. It's sort of like a beautiful mind way of looking at information. Remember that Binance is all about finance is all about behavioral finance. Everything is human patterns. This is all of these are just patterns playing out in front of you. You just got to get really good at identifying the patterns and act accordingly, because once you have the pattern, then you need to know what to do with that pattern. You need to know if it's a bullish pattern, a bearish pattern. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Yeah, it takes practice. It takes repetition. Repetition is the mother of skill. Always remember that. You got to build that skill. But yeah, normally everything is baked into the charts and then the news come. We get the double bottom first, and then the news on XLM Trust comes out, and then we get the pump. You had the opportunity right here on the double bottom. Then the news. Same thing over here on XRP. We don't have a settlement just yet on the case. We have hope and a speculation that it's going to come right around the corner, but it's right there in the charts. This pattern right over here, this pattern is bullish. This pattern is bullish. This pattern is bullish. I got 3 patterns playing out over and over and over again, telling me, hey, this sucker's going to go up. This sucker's going to go up. This sucker's going to go up. It's right there in the charts. You just got to learn how to read it. And that's why you're here, because I'm teaching you how to read the charts, guys. So yeah, mega bullish on XRP. Super bullish on XRP. Big shout out to Lion's Den over on the TikTok. What's up, brother? What's up with you, my man? So good. Chilling like a villain. I'm taking it super easy this week. I'm not even going to trade. All of my trades are open. Let me show you guys all of my trades right over here. These are my current trades. They're all super mega positive. Of course, obviously. Doing super duper good on these trades today. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 XRP trades open right now. And together, that's making me about 35% on this trade. Trying to catch every single time it dumps and it touches a 618 on the Fibonacci, I get in. You got to learn it, guys. You got to learn. Stick around. Hit that like button. You smash that like button. And the more you smash the like button on whatever platform you're looking on me at, the higher XRP goes. We're going to wake up tomorrow at $5 XRP. Yeah. Why not? Why not? Make it happen, Captain. Smash that like button if you haven't already. And follow if you haven't already, for sure. Try to grow to that 10,000 subscriber mark on all platforms, guys. No excuses not to get the information. I'm everywhere. I'm streaming on all the platform, guys. Make sure that you follow me everywhere. You get my price action. You get my entry prices. Oh, another thing that I wanted to share with you guys. These are my entry prices to getting in on some XRP. They're pre-loaded into my BitGet account. Once those price action hits, I get in. I don't have to do it manually. I can set it and forget it. These are my price action for XRP right here. Take a screenshot of that if you want to play with my trades. If you want to piggyback on my trades, these are the trades I'm going to do for XRP, okay? XRP over on that TikTok saying, I love everyone in the XRP army, and we love you. I sure as hell do. $5 to $27 per XRP. Highly, highly likely. It's so ridiculously highly likely. And I'm not saying it because I want it to be. Obviously, I want it to be at $5 XRP. I hold a shit ton of XRP. 100% of my portfolio is on XRP. So I'm going to be skewed to getting $5 XRP, of course. But I don't have to do it myself. Everything is baked into the charts. Okay? Everything is here. Oops. Let me show you why $5 XRP is highly doable. This is the entire price action of XRP right now. From its inception back in 2012 all the way through today. We had the all-time high at $3.80. And we almost had an all-time high again if it wasn't for the lawsuit. And it went, even with the lawsuit, it went up to $2 from 25 cents. No, from 17 cents. And I remember that because I bought XRP at 17 cents. And I rolled that sucker all the way up to $2. And I did not take profits at $2 because I could have sworn this sucker was going to go to $5. Why? Here it is. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high. What does it say over here? After we find support within the 618, like it was over here, it found the support. Then we break the 382. Did we break the 382 back then on the last bull cycle? No. The lawsuit did not let it go because we didn't have the volume. We didn't have the money flow. We didn't have a way to put money into XRP. So it was pretty much manipulated back to the downside. So all of this resets. Okay, all of this resets. And we still need to break above that 382. So as soon as we hit $1.27, and we break above $2.06, $5 is right around the corner, guys. Right here. $5.39. Right here. So everything is baked into the charts, guys. XRP over on the TikTok saying after Fed now on July 1st, XRP will pump hard. Are you ready? Are you ready? Do you have your bags? Are you strapped in? Did you put your seatbelt on? Did you put your seatbelt on? Safety first. Safety first, guys. $5 XRP is nothing. $5 XRP is nothing. Right there, guys. XRP to the moon. Deadpool Sosa over on the TikTok asking, what app are you using for crypto? To trade crypto? To trade crypto actively, I use BitGet. Okay. BitGet. Now, one thing bad about BitGet is that you need a VPN. The VPN of choice that I use is Proton VPN. You go to Proton. Whoa, I totally wrote that one wrong. VPN.com, protonvpn.com, and you can get a VPN. You just make sure that you don't put it in the United States. You put it anywhere else in the world, and you have access to BitGet. Okay. There's also free VPNs out there for the Opera browser. You can go to Opera browser, download the browser, and this browser comes with a free VPN that you can use it to trade in BitGet. Okay. But it's BitGet, B-I-T-G-E-T, BitGet. And for my cold wallet, where I store all my crypto, the EliPal device, this bad boy right here, elipal.com. Except for saying over on the TikTok, I'm thinking we're going to 78 cents soon. Yeah. Yep. If we look at the Fibonacci levels, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That means that is translated into the Fibonacci. It found the support within the 618. It broke the 382. So your target price is the negative 382 and the negative 618. And guess what that price action is? 72 cents. So yeah, baked into the chart, 72 cents. It's highly likely. Highly likely. Got my water. I'm thirsty. Let's look at some Doge action. What is Doge doing right now? Doge, what are you doing? This is why I don't buy meme coins, guys. This is why I do not buy meme coins. I mean, every time Daddy Musk's tweets about Doge pumps, and right now we're on the downside on the Doge action. Stacking up on some Doge is not a bad idea. You just got to wait for that tweet to happen or whatever. But it don't look so good. It don't look so good. But if you guys were hoping for some downwards action on Doge to get in on some Doge, now is the time to get in on some Doge action. If you're into that sort of things, I don't know. I don't buy Doge. Big shout out to Crypto Mike 364 over on the TikTok asking me for some Casper action. Casper. What is Casper? Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's look at Casper. What is Casper? I've never heard about Casper. CSPR. CSPR, Crypto Mike? Is that the one that you're looking for? CSPR? CSPR. Okay. Cool coin. All right. Casper looking real good. Looking real nice, actually. So Casper doing his thing. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So that translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So we have Fibonacci levels. And there we go. Casper right now, at the moment, here and now, It is trading exactly on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. So my man Mike, if you were on the ropes to getting in on some Casper action, now is the time to get in on some Casper action. Okay? It is trading exactly on the 618 as we speak. Do with that information as you may. Do whatever the hell you want to do. But this price action is to the upside. This is hella bullish, okay? So if you were waiting for a sign from the gods to get in on some Casper action, it's here and now. Okay? Here and now. 4 cents. It don't get any better than that, okay? Make sure you put your stop losses just in case it doesn't go your way. Don't lose more than 2% of your portfolio in any trade whatsoever. But it's looking kind of saucy to the upside. Yeah, Casper's a good. Casper's a good one. Absolutely. Good job, Mike. That's all I got to say. That's a good choice right there. CSPR. CSPR. Deadpool Sosa over on the TikTok saying, is Doge bad? I got tons. You got tons of Doge? I don't know. You do whatever you want to do with your money, of course. But Doge is not giving me any confidence whatsoever at the moment. At the moment. It can change at any moment, of course. This can flip to the upside. 15-cent Doge by tomorrow. It only takes a little tweet from Daddy Musk. Okay? That's all it takes to pump the hell out of Doge. I just rather look at coins and invest in coins that I know have a use case, that are not dependent on a single person. But that's just me. No reason why you guys should be making money on Doge anyways. Okay? You do you, boo-boo. You do you, boo-boo. Do whatever you want to do. XRP over on the TikTok saying, after XRP becomes the first crypto to have clarity and regulation, then all the banks and institutions buy. You, my man, are spitting facts. That is fact check number 1. Absolutely. Remember that once we have clarity and regulation within the crypto market itself, then there's no excuse for institutions not to buy in and banks to buy in and use the platforms and use the technology. There will be no excuse whatsoever. And XRP will be the first one. So, first one to bite, you know? Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok asking me for Jasmy. Jasmy? Jasmy. Jasmy. I've never heard of that. That's not a real coin. Jasmy? Did you write that right? Jasmy? Is it Jasmy or Jasmy? Because I can see Jasmy. Jasmy. Oh, okay. So it's Jasmy. Okay, let's look at Jasmy. Jasmy coin. Another coin that is just being dragged through the mud, my man. Right here at the pit of hell, right down here. The void and darkness of solitude down here. These are the type of positions where big money is made. Okay. Right where it's below price discovery, it's at its lowest point. High risk, high reward. I can't do any technical analysis on it. It has no value in math whatsoever. But if you're waiting for a sign from the four winds and the gods and whatever to getting in on some coin whatsoever, this is the type of scenario where you want to start stacking up on some coins. Okay? It's trading below a cent. It's at 0.004. It's at its lowest point. If this sucker decides to roll around and go to the upside, guess who's going to bank? Those who buy at the bottom right there. But do keep in mind, always keep in mind that this type of scenario is high risk, high reward, or you can lose everything. Okay? Because it doesn't have I don't see anything in the charts that's giving me any confidence whatsoever. It's just been a pump and a dump. So if you were a betting man and you have $100 that you want to lose, put it on Jasmine. What could go wrong? You lose $100. Okay. But this is it's right here. Look at this straight line just being dragged. It's just being dragged. XRP over on the TikTok saying every single crypto will have to go through what Ripple had to do to not be a security. Yeah, exactly. They would have to go through the entire same process. But here's the deal. It hasn't been delisted from, none of those coins are being delisted anywhere. So they're not going through the same issues and problems that XRP went through. So let's see. I'm extremely curious to see how the crypto market is going to react this year and next year, right before the halving. After the halving, fuck it. It's the bull cycle right after that. It don't matter what the news come out. But I'm really curious to see how the year ends this year and next year. But 2025, my man, 2025 is our year. Red, yeah, I know. Some coins are being delisted, but not from everywhere at the same time. Like XRP was. XRP was delisted from everywhere. Everywhere at the same time. It was like a coordinated attack. Well, anyway, guys, that's all the time I got for you today. Hope you guys had a lot of fun. I sure as hell did. I love when you guys comment. I love when you guys have action and questions and whatnot. Guys, remember that if I didn't go through your questions because I missed it or whatnot, I kind of had to skip it. Make sure that you subscribe to my Discord. Discord is my link on the description or my bio. I'm there 24 hours a day. If you have any questions, anything whatsoever, any TA that you want to do, or some basic questions, whatever you need, I'm always in the Discord. I'm always there. Okay, guys? Link in the description of this video or in my bio. So make sure you subscribe to my Discord and you make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already, and follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I will do my best to be here again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Don't miss it, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Had a lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. God bless. Take care and have a good one.